Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about why your Equifax score might be different from your Experian or TransUnion score. It's common for credit scores to vary among the three main credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The differences are not errors but are due to several key factors. Different data. The primary reason for the score difference is that the three bureaus don't always have the exact same information about you. Lenders and creditors aren't required to report to all three bureaus. For instance, a credit card company might only report your payments to two of the three bureaus. So, if you've recently paid down a large balance, that information may not be updated with all three bureaus at the same time, leading to score differences. Different scoring models. Another major reason is the use of different scoring models. FICO and VantageScore are the two most common scoring models. While they both use similar factors to calculate a score, like your payment history and how much debt you owe, they weigh these factors differently. For example, one model might place a slightly higher emphasis on your payment history, while another might give more weight to the age of your credit accounts. This means even if the data is identical, the final score can be different. Timing. The timing of when information is reported also plays a big role. Lenders update consumer data with the credit bureaus at different times, often once a month. This means if you check your score on different days, one bureau might have more recent information than the others, leading to a score difference. In short, a small difference in your credit scores is normal. However, if you see a significant score difference, for example, more than 50 points, it could signal an issue like an error on one of your reports, and you should investigate further. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.